In this session, I'll be talking about design and analysis of 2K DOEs. So at the end of this module or session, you'll be able to describe DOE trial alternatives, create DOE trials, determine significant DOE factors, and build prediction models. So where are we at in the overall roadmap? We're looking at design of experiments. This is what we have as a drill down. Why are we doing this? We got a 30,000 foot level metric that we're trying to improve. We're building a hypothesis testing. In this case, we're changing factors to see if we can find certain combinations of inputs that really make a difference in more effective response to our 30,000 foot level value that we're looking at. We also, with this 30,000 foot level approach, can quantify the benefits from an improvement project effort. So we got a 30,000 foot level chart again, goals for the creation of project. If we did a good job, it changed to a new enhanced level of performance. So described are the design alternatives and analysis using the DOE. We're looking at and suggesting that you look at this table M and N in the back of volume 3 so that you understand the concept of confounding and so on, because that's going to make it a lot easier when you use a statistical program to create your design of experiment. You're going to be able to gain a lot of insight that other people don't necessarily have if they didn't approach design of experiments training using this methodology. So with a good understanding of these methodologies, these concepts, you can create better experimental designs. So chapter 30 illustrated how saturated fractional experiments could be created from a full factorial. However, as I've pointed out previously, there are other alternatives between a full and fractional extreme design, and these can give us various resolutions. So the question of concern is how to match the factors to the interaction column so that there is minimal confounding. So the main effects in two-factor and relative to two-factor interactions. So tables M1 to M5 manage this issue by managing the column selections from the practitioner for the practitioner, while the tables N1 to N3 show the confounding interactions. So another alternative to manually creating, we can use this statistical software to do this. But a quick knowledge of what's behind the tables M1 to N5 and tables N1 to N3 is going to help you determine what's the actual best design. So in this module, we talked about DOE alternatives, creation of DOE trials, and the significance, tense, and build and prediction model.